Sometimes we will find that a form of asset protection is if you have a high liability spouse, such as someone who might be a doctor, an accountant, or electrician or something, and then they want to be able to transfer all of the property into the name of the non-liability spouse. Well, that's because they're assuming that the lawsuit is going to be coming from their own profession. And it might be true. It might be that there's a much higher chance that a doctor is going to have a malpractice lawsuit brought against them than there is some other lawsuit brought against the non-liability spouse. But I will tell you that we need to go back and find that there are many cases where the non-liability spouse created an accident, accidentally killed or injured someone, and a massive lawsuit was filed against the non-liability spouse, and all those assets that they thought were protected because they put it into the name of the low liability spouse just went bye-bye. So the idea is that that's a very poor form of asset protection because you're trying to guess or gamble where the lawsuit's coming from. I would prefer to take a husband and wife's assets and put them into a limited liability company, and then I don't care which one of them gets into a lawsuit. The lawsuit cannot take their assets if it's been properly structured.